Hi, my name is Fox. I'm a support engineer here at Impact Computing, and this video is about installing Microsoft Office and setting up Outlook on your desktop and your mobile device. So, how do I install Office if I have a Microsoft account? This is fairly easy and can be done in a few simple clicks. Please bear in mind your account needs to be licensed and you'll be allowed to install Office on up to 5 devices. First, open your browser of choice. In the address bar, type in portal.office365.com. Sign in as required. At the top right, you'll see an option to install Office. Choose the first option, and this will start to download. Once this is downloaded, click the install. Install as required, and once that's done, you'll be able to use Office apps such as Word, Excel, and more. So Office is now installed, but I want my email signed in, so how do I do this? In the Windows search bar, type in Outlook and press enter, and wait for it to load. Whilst this is loading, I'm actually going to pin it to the taskbar so it's a bit easy to get to in future. Once it has loaded, you can then type in your email address and password as needed. And after that, click connect. You should now be signed in with your emails. Now, since this is Microsoft 365, you won't need a VPN connection back to the Office to access your emails. As long as you have an internet connection, you should be able to access your emails. How does this differ for emails on your phone or mobile device? Not much at all. The same thing can be done on your mobile device. Simply download the Outlook app for Android or iPhone. We highly recommend using the Outlook app as it ties in well with multi-factor authentication. Once this is installed, open the app and enter your details, and you'll be signed in just the same as if it was your desktop. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions about the content covered in this video, please give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Please see our website and help centre and check out our social media for more info.